It is the 12th of August 2026, and welcome to today's French A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about an earthquake in Colombia. 3 other top news stories featured on LinguaWire.com today. First, les ministres britanniques annoncent un rabais près des nouveaux pylônes. The British ministers announce a discount near the new pylons. Next, Andy Burnham limite les zones pour les demandeurs d'asile. Andy Burnham limits the areas for asylum seekers. And aux États-Unis, les entreprises peinent à fixer le prix des tokens. In the United States, companies struggle to set the price of tokens. And now, today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud, slowly, and see how much you already understand. Now let us decode it word by word. Les secouristes means the rescue workers. De Colombie means of Colombia. Cherche means are looking for. Encore means still. Des survivants means survivors. The headline uses the plural article, les, because there are many rescue workers. Le séisme frappe la Colombie. The earthquake hits Colombia. Frappe. To hit is the action in today's story, and it follows the regular pattern. More examples are on today's lesson sheet, linked below. Les secouristes cherchent des survivants à Cali. The rescue workers are looking for survivors in Cali. Cherche tells us what the rescue workers do. More examples in the lesson sheet. Plus de 180 personnes sont mortes. More than 180 people are dead. 80 is the number in today's story, and it tells us how serious the earthquake is. Des volontaires aident les secouristes à Pereira. Volunteers help the rescue workers in Pereira. Secouriste is a key word from the story, and it belongs to the rescue family. Les secours continuent après le séisme. The rescue effort continue after the earthquake. Today's word is séisme. Say it with me. Séisme. The first sound is a clear sé, and the accent keeps it bright and easy to hear. Now for the pattern of the day. Je frappe. Tu frappes. Il frappe. Nous frappons. Vous frappez. Il frappe. The headline uses the il form, frappe. One last time, read today's headline again at full speed. Before you go, one question from today's story. What happens in Colombia? Is it A, un séisme, un rabais, or c'est une facture? Think about it. The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet linked below. Well done, that is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.